if I told you a tablet beat powerful PCs in a blind display test? A while ago, we gathered 50 people for a unique challenge. 2 PCs and 2 tablets were placed side by side, with their designs completely hidden. Participants could only judge the screens while games ran in real time. Everyone picked their top 2 displays purely based on visual quality, and when the votes were counted, the result shocked us. The device with the most votes wasn't a gaming PC, it was a tablet. Even more surprising, the winner was the iQOO Pad 6 Pro. So what made it stand out? Let's find out.
Big thanks to my tech partner over in China for providing this footage. I really appreciate the support in making this video happen. Hey everyone, Stella here from techiestreet. If you're into staying updated with the newest gadgets, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our latest tech content.
The biggest reason is its display. The iQOO Pad 6 Pro features a huge 13.2-inch LCD screen with a true 4K resolution of 3840 by 2512. With a sharp 347 ppi pixel density, everything looks incredibly crisp and detailed from the moment you turn it on. Lab testing backed that up. Manual brightness reached 647 nits, contrast measured 14:14:1, and peak brightness climbed to an impressive 1130 nits. Seeing over 1,000 nits on a large LCD tablet is seriously rare. Color performance is strong too. Natural mode sits at 7741K, while vivid mode goes slightly cooler at 7813K. For the most accurate image, professional mode is the best choice. It drops to 6327K, close to the D65 standard, and delivers an excellent sRGB delta E of just 1.33. The screen also uses full brightness DC dimming for better eye comfort. Its 3:2 aspect ratio works great for both media and productivity, while the 144 Hz refresh rate keeps scrolling and gaming buttery smooth. Simply put, this is one of the best large tablet displays available today. And thankfully, iQOO fully takes advantage of it. The Pad 6 Pro supports native 4K gaming in titles like Supernatural Action Group, Light Loading Party, and Jin Chan Chan. Many popular games also support super resolution and frame enhancement for even better visuals. Take Genshin Impact. Without super resolution, the image can look a bit soft on such a large 4K display. Turn it on, and rendering jumps to 2.7K. The improvement is immediate. Sharper details, cleaner edges, and a much clearer image. The same applies to Piece Elite. The tablet's 4K level super resolution makes distant objects, textures, and environmental details much easier to spot. Compared directly with the iPad Air, the visual difference was obvious. That instant wow factor people noticed in the blind test largely comes from this feature. But a great screen alone can't win a test like that. Native 4K rendering, super resolution, and frame enhancement all need serious processing power. That's where the Snapdragon Elite Gen 5 comes in. It's paired with a massive 71,446mm² 3D cooling system and the Monster Supercore engine for extra optimization. Real-world gaming results were impressive. In Piece Elite at 144 FPS settings, the tablet averaged 143.55 FPS while consuming just 7.58 watts. Temperature stayed below 40 degrees Celsius. With the magnetic cooling back clip and Monster Plus mode enabled, it can even deliver 4K visuals and 144 FPS together. After an hour of gaming, frame rates averaged 143.87 FPS. Next came Genshin Impact. During a 30-minute NatLan combat test at native 1080p, the tablet stayed almost perfectly locked at 59.95 FPS. Power draw remained low at 7.57 watts, and temperatures again stayed under 40 degrees Celsius. Finally, we tested the demanding Wuthering waves. Running at native 1600p resolution, the iQOO Pad 6 Pro maintained an average of 59.58 FPS. Performance remained stable throughout, and temperature peaked at only 42.2 degrees Celsius. The result? Stunning visuals, excellent optimization, and flagship-level gaming power. For a large-screen tablet, the iQOO Pad 6 Pro delivers seriously impressive performance.
But the iQOO Pad 6 Pro isn't just about raw power. It packs several gaming features that make every match feel faster, smoother, and more responsive. Features like full-link touch optimization and ultra-sensitive touch zones reduce input delay during taps and swipes. In intense moments like sudden gunfights, that extra speed can make a real difference and help you react faster under pressure. And there's more. In games like Dark Zone Breakout, which support full map ray tracing, battles feel even more immersive. One of the coolest additions is the built-in 4K live screenshot feature. With a single tap, it saves the previous 3.9 seconds and turns them into a 4K live photo. Whether it's an epic kill or a stunning character animation, capturing highlights is effortless. Need something longer? The tablet also supports 4K gameplay recording playback. You can save 15-second or 30-second clips to preserve amazing plays, funny moments, or memorable conversations. If you enjoy sharing gameplay online, you'll love this feature. Of course, this tablet isn't only built for gaming. Productivity matters too, and the iQOO Pad 6 Pro delivers here as well. For starters, it supports charging while live streaming. It also integrates with the Blue Wall ecosystem for seamless smartphone connectivity. You can access files stored on your phone and even answer calls from devices like the iQOO 15T directly on the tablet. Speaking of the iQOO 15T, it's one of the few flagship phones that combines a 2K display, excellent battery life, and exclusive Q3 full-scene light tracing technology. If those features interest you, it's definitely worth a look. Now let's get back to productivity. Pair the tablet with the iQOO Smart Touch Keyboard 6 Pro, and it feels even more capable. The keyboard supports shortcut keys for both Windows and Mac systems, and can even remotely control a PC through Office software. That means fewer limitations and a more familiar workflow. For lighter tasks, you may not even need a PC. The iQOO Pad 6 Pro supports a PC-level version of WPS Office, and when combined with the Smart Touch Keyboard 6 Pro, the experience feels surprisingly close to using a laptop. The interface is clean, intuitive, and easy to learn, making office work and light editing comfortable and efficient. Now let's talk about the design. The iQOO Pad 6 Pro features a premium all-metal aluminum body and comes in silver, gray gold, and Mandow color options. Which one would you choose? Let me know in the comments. Despite being just 6.18 millimeters thin and weighing only 663 grams, it still packs a huge 13,000 milliamp-hour battery with 66-watt fast charging. It also features an 8-speaker system paired with that massive 13.2-inch 4K display, creating an immersive experience for movies, games, and music. As for pricing, the base iQOO Pad 6 Pro starts at 4,499 yuan in China, roughly 493 pounds in the UK, and around $662 in the US. So what's the real strength of the iQOO Pad 6 Pro? The answer is simple. As mobile games become more demanding and AAA titles continue expanding across platforms, gamers want visuals and performance that feel closer to a PC. With its giant 4K display, Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset, and combination of native resolution, super resolution, and frame enhancement technologies, the iQOO Pad 6 Pro is designed to bring mobile gaming closer than ever before to a true PC-like experience. Mobile gaming no longer has to mean compromising on visual quality, and this tablet is helping push high-end tablet gaming into a new era.
So if you're a serious mobile gamer looking for top-tier graphics, powerful performance, and a gaming experience that feels remarkably close to a PC, the iQOO Pad 6 Pro is absolutely worth considering. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed this review and learned something new about the iQOO Pad 6 Pro, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, everyone!